Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some of my favorite UAG cases for some of my favorite phones. Now all of these cases you can get from urbanarmorgear.com or you can pick them up on Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from 30 to 60 bucks. Now most of these cases you've seen before, so I'm going to try to make this as quick as I can, but I got 3 new cases I want to show y'all, so let's get right into it. Shout out to White Shoes, back in the building. Alright, so first things first, we'll start off with my favorite phone, the Mate 10 Pro. And for this phone, I'm going with the Plyo Series. Now like I said, I reviewed all these cases already, so I'm going to just try to get through this real quick. I'm not going to go through all of the features, I'm just going to slap them on and let you see what they look like. Alright Zerks, chill out. Here we go, Plyo Series. Now this one, I know. Now this one slaps right on. Check the razivity on this. Maximum razivity. You got your screws in the back. Look, I gotta do a safety shield for Zerks. You got your screws in the back. Now these ain't real screws, but they look nice. You got your honeycomb padding. This case is Slam Boy certified. Alright, so this is one of my favorite UAG cases. I got it for all of my phones. I'm not going to show you how it looks on every single phone because they all pretty much look the same. You got a bunch of different colors. I'll show you a few colors. Alright, so let's keep it moving. Next, Galaxy Note 8. Now with the Galaxy Note 8, I'm running the same Plyo Series, but I want to show y'all my favorite case for this phone. We got the Monarch. Now to me, this is the best case that UAG makes. Let me show you what it looks like. This is also the most expensive one. Alright, Zerks, I'm about to file you to the side. Let's open this up real quick. Little struggles right here. Here we go. Now check this out. This one is real leather. Alright, UAG is trolling me today. UAG and Zerks is trolling today. Hold on a second, y'all. Alright. Let me calm down. Back to the Monarch series. Now check this one out. This one actually has real screws. You got leather in the middle. Let me do the smell test. That's real leather. On the side, you got your honeycomb padding. Extra amount of grip on this. Let me slap the note in and let y'all see what it looks like. Now all of these cases, wireless charge does work. Here's the Monarch series. Now this one comes in a few different colors. I'll show you how they look. So this is my favorite Galaxy Note 8 case from UAG. Let's keep it moving. Real quick, Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. For the S8 Plus, I'm running the Metropolis. Now this one, frog skin material. Now they don't call it frog skin anymore, but for me this will always be frog skin. This case has screen protection. You got a credit card slot in the middle with your little insert so you can raise the card out easily. But I like this case because when you slap it in your pocket, you don't got to worry about scratching the screen. Full protection, and it feels so good in the hands. Ladies, hit me up. For the Galaxy S8, I'm rocking another version of the Metropolis. This time we got the black and silver. Maximum razivity on this one. Wireless charge on deck. Slam Boy certified. Alright, let's keep it moving. Now, I got a few ones I want to show y'all for the iPhone 8. A lot of people requested this one. Alright, so first, we got the Trooper. Now, this is my absolute favorite for the iPhone 8. Nice amount of razivity on this one, but check this out. On the back, this opens up. You can easily put your driver's license and your debit card in here, and watch how this locks into place. This ain't going nowhere. Let me do the shake test. It's not going to open up. This is the perfect case for when you're going out, you don't feel like bringing your wallet. Open this up, drop some information in there, drop a couple of dollars, lock it in, and you're good to go. Now this one comes in a few different colors. Let me show you what they look like real quick. Here's the white version. Now I'm gonna try to beast these open real quick. White version of the Trooper. All right, same thing. Now you gotta actually force this open like a gentleman, and you got to force it closed. Nice honeycomb pattern on the inside. That's for shock absorption. Wireless charge works on this case also. Once you put your credit cards in there, then that's another story. All right, let's keep it moving. Now for the iPhone 8, we got a few more. We got the Plyo Series. Now I'll show you what this one looks like real quick. It got to be easier way up. Now look, I'm going beast mode and going crazy. There's a nice pull tab on the top. Let me absorb this L real quick. Plyo Series right here. Now I'm rocking this one on my Note 8 also. I got a red version. All right, let me slap on the Plyo Series on the iPhone 8, just so y'all can see what it looks like. Let me do a little wipe down. This one looks beautiful. Okay, now you got a nice amount of resivity on this. Transparent material, smoked out color. This one comes in red. The red version is dope, but I like this version on the silver iPhone. Now, one more for the iPhone 8. We got the classic plasma in red. Now, shout out to UAG for bringing the red color back. This is the best color in my opinion for the Plasma series. All right, so here we go. Slap this one on. That honeycomb pattern, it just fits this case. Blacked out screws. This is a go right here. All right, so that's the Plasma series, iPhone 8. Zerks, back up a little bit. All right, now, iPhone 8 Plus. Got the rose gold version, aka the pink. Here's the red Plyo series I was telling y'all about. Let's slap this one on real quick. Now I'm going to show y'all the 3 new cases that I got. They're for the iPhone 10 and for the iPad Pro. But let me get through these first. All right, so here's your iPhone 8 Plus Plyo series in red. Slap this one on real quick. Let's get a little wipe down. Check this one out. Now this one looks dope. If you got the Wesley Snipes Galaxy Note 8, try the red Plyo series. That's a nice combination also. Nice amount of resivity. This one is Slamboy certified. Everything from UAG is quality. You only got to buy these cases once. All right, let's keep it moving real quick. Next, for iPhone 8 Plus, we got a Metropolis. All right, so I'm going to slap this one on real quick. Now, like I said, I don't got to test wireless charging. I already tested that in plenty of different videos. It works. All right, now this is a nice going out style case too. Okay, got a little insert in here. File that. We'll slap this one on real quick. Here we go. Now this is a nice going out style case too. A little bit less thick, a little thinner. That's the word I was looking for. A little thinner than the Trooper. All right, so if you're looking for a case to go out, you just want to drop your driver's license and one debit card and keep it moving. You got your slot in the middle. This one has a little magnetic closure, so it's not going to open up. Maximum shake, and you're good to go. You're going to like this material. They used to call it frog skin, but it's called something else now. Hit me up in the comments if y'all know the official name, but I'm still calling it frog skin. I don't care. All right, let's keep it moving. 2 more for the iPhone 8 Plus, then I'm going to show y'all some new stuff. All right, now, of course, the classic, the Plasma. A lot of people was asking to see this green color, so let's take a look at the green. Here we go. Now, this is hot right here. Let's see how this looks with the pink iPhone, rose gold. Now, here we go. Now, this is hot. If you got the Apple Watch, the Volt Edition, the Nike version with the green, this is going to be a nice combination. All right, that green really stands out. It's not going to change colors. Maximum protection, maximum resivity, Slamboy certified. Now, let me show y'all my favorite case for the iPhone 8 Plus. Let me peel this plasma off real quick. iPhone 8 Plus favorite case. We're going with the Monarch. All right, but the red version. Now, you've seen the black. You've seen the gray. Check out the red. All right, so let's open this up. Now, of course, I was making it harder than it was supposed to be. This pops right out. Here we go. The red Monarch. Now, this is the most expensive one, but this is the most quality that you're going to get from a UAG case. Real screws, real leather, maximum protection. Let's slap this one on real quick and see what it looks like. All right, let me just get the bottom in there. All right, here we go. Now, all the cutouts, all the ports, everything works, all the buttons. We don't got to check everything. Wireless chargers on deck, but look how this one looks. This is beautiful. Now, you got to hold this case in your hand to really get the maximum effect, but you're going to love this one. All right, now this one's going to run you about $60, worth every penny. 3-4 months later, after heavy use, it's still going to look like this. And if you don't believe me, here's my Galaxy S8. Been through the wars and back, still looks the same. All right, so that's the Monarch series. Now, let me show you iPhone 10. I got two new cases. I'll show you my favorite ones first. Of course, Monarch series, iPhone 10, red version, looking like a boss. Let's take this one off real quick. Now, I got Pathfinder series in white. We'll slap this one on. This one just looks dope. Non-transparent. This one comes in orange also. This white stays white. You see that shimmery, shiny material? It's not going to get dirty. You can easily wipe this one down. It's always going to stay white. And you got your little black screws, UAG branding. This doesn't peel off. All right, now let me show you the two new ones. First, now, I just happened to see this one browsing on Instagram one day. This popped up as an ad. The Pathfinder series, limited edition Camel. Now, y'all know I'm a big camouflage fan, so we definitely got to check this one out. Okay, here we go. Pathfinder series, but with that camo print. Check this out. This is beautiful. Let's slap this on, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to be rocking this. All right, this is my style right here. I love camouflage. I love the fatigue materials, and this pattern just looks hot. All right, so this is the limited edition camo. Of course, wireless charge works. No need to test. All the buttons, all the cutouts. Check the razivity. It's basically a Pathfinder with a different print. All right, let's keep it moving. Now, there's one more iPhone 10 case I wanted to show y'all. I promised y'all when I did the iPhone 10 case lineup, I was going to order this case separately. Finally came in the mail. We got the Monarch series carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Had to say that twice. Y'all know how I feel about carbon fiber. This is the one right here. And this might be my new daily case. Why? Because race car. Check this out. Carbon fiber materials. I got to do a smell test. Yes. Yes. Now, when you put this case on your phone, I don't care what kind of car you're driving, it's going to give you an extra 10 horsepower. Trust me. Look at the carbon fiber. Let's wipe this down. Oh, look at that. Let me make sure the light reflects off this. Y'all know that's one of my words. Reflect. Check the reflectivity on this. Look at the light hitting that carbon fiber. This is a go right here. Now you got your silver screws. This is a win. Let's put it next to the other Monarch. You see the difference? In this Monarch, you got leather in the middle, carbon fiber. I think this might be the best UAG case yet to date. What y'all think about this one? Carbon fiber. Anyway, let's keep it moving. Now, I want to show y'all a case for some other stuff. Now, if you happen to happen to have a Surface Pro, you could get one of these cases too. This is a Microsoft Surface case. This is pretty dope. It has your pen holder on the front of the case, or you can put the pen on the front, or you can clip it right on the side. You got your stand in the back. You have that frog skin material. I've been using this case heavy. This is the only case I use on my Surface. Right now, I only use this Surface sparingly, but when I do use it, I use this case. All right, matter of fact, I just noticed something. The UAG case is from the back. I think this is a different case on the front. Yeah, this is the Microsoft case on the front. My bad. I was wondering why I had two pen holders. All right, so this is the Microsoft case on the front. The UAG case does have a pen holder also. I like this pen holder a little bit better because it locks into place. All right, so that's the UAG case for the Surface Pro. Now, let me show you one for the iPad Pro. All right, so I did a video on this a long time ago. As of today, this is the only case that I use on my iPad Pro. Now, no protection on the front, but all the cutouts for your speakers, all the cutouts for your buttons. You got your Apple Pencil holder, and you got your kickstand on the back for easy viewing. Now, I want to show you the new one. All right, here we go. Now, I got this one at CES. This is the new version with some screen protection. All right, so let's check this one out. Okay, now this one is going to be my new case. The only problem I have with this one is when I'm rocking it on the stand version, and I got it like this, when I get notifications, all of my stuff is right on Front Street. So this one, you're getting a little bit more privacy. All right, so frog skin material. You got, this looks like a big Metropolis. Okay, so you got some directions on the inside, 5 lows, little foamage, check this one out. Now let me peel this one off the iPad Pro. Let me see if I can get this one off. I haven't took this one off in about a year. So I'm about to get some struggles back here. Okay. I know. Let me calm down. All right, so we'll slap the iPad Pro. Now this is for your 12.9-inch iPad Pro. This is the big boy. All right, let's see if we can get this in here. All right, hold on a second, y'all. All right, so check this one out. Now this is going to be my new iPad Pro case. You got your UAG branding, frog skin material. You got a locking mechanism with a magnet, so that's going to stay into place. Once you open this up, you got your Apple Pencil holder. Now this snaps firmly into place. Your pencil's not going anywhere. On the inside, soft felt material. You got two different viewing angles. So you can rock it like this, or you can bring it further down, type on your iPad. All the cutouts on deck. On the top for your speakers. On the back for your camera. On the bottom for your lightning adapter, your other speakers. Everything fits nice and snug. So the main difference between this and the first generation, no screen protection. Now you got screen protection. Drop this in your bag. You don't have to worry about your screen getting dirty, smudges, or scratches. Now, if you got a 10-inch tablet, UAG makes this 10-inch tablet holder. Now, this is pretty dope right here. This is universal. It'll work on any 10-inch tablet. Got your UAG branding, but this is perfect. You stick your finger right in there, and you can hold the case. You can hold your tablet just like this. Now, check this out. I'm going to get it in there nice and deep. It's not going to fall off. This is perfect if you're using Apple Pay or Samsung Pay or whatever you got using the PayPal and you're doing business. You can walk around your store, swipe your credit cards, type like this. You don't have to worry about it dropping. All right, so that's a tablet holder. Now I got one more. I can't demo this one because I actually got the wrong one. So we got a little giveaway on deck right now. We got the 15-inch MacBook Pro case. Now, this is for the new generation, 4th generation with touch bar. I actually got an older version of the MacBook, so I doubt this one is going to fit, but I'll show you what it looks like anyway. All right, so I got a MacBook here. I'll try to slap it in. If it doesn't fit, then like I said, I'll give this away to one of y'all. Anybody that has a new version iPad, hit me up, and I'll send you this one. No reason for it to go to waste. All right, so let me grab my MacBook and see if it fits just for demo purposes. All right, so I tried to squeeze my MacBook in here. It wouldn't fit. So like I said, anybody that has a 4th generation MacBook with the touch bar, if you want a UAG case, hit me up. But this is what it looks like. Nice ventilation on the bottom, frog skin material, UAG branding on the top, all the corners, everything is protected. Now I'm still rocking the old school MacBook, but I got the carbon fiber skin and it still works fine. Anyway, these are my favorite UAG cases and accessories. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.